Introducing Magic Kids Kitchen, 250 recipe prompts and 250 image prompts for kids. With Magic Kids Kitchen, you get 250 kid-friendly recipe prompts and 250 matching image prompts. Designed to be fun, educational, and perfect for kids to cook independently. No cooking expertise needed, no complicated tools or sharp objects, just fun, creativity, and independence in the kitchen. No recipe creation, no design costs, no guesswork. Just download, list, and start making money. It's that simple. Why this is a money-making machine? Kids' cooking products are in high demand across platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and more. The market for kids' educational products continues to expand. Magic Kids Kitchen taps into this growing market of $45 billion in kids' activities, offering a fun and safe way for children to engage with cooking. Example, a simple kids' recipe ebook on Etsy sells for $9. If it sells just 50 copies per month, that's $497.50 in pure profit. Now imagine having 250 recipes with matching images in different bundles. Your earning potential is unlimited. How you can start selling in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, download your 250 recipe and image prompts instantly. Step 2, upload them to Etsy, Gumroad, or your website. Step 3, start making easy passive income over and over again. Who can benefit from Magic Kids Kitchen? Answer, tap into a booming market and keep 100% of the profits. No royalties, no hidden fees, just unlimited earning potential. Don't wait. The demand for kids' activities is skyrocketing. Click the button below and get instant access now. Start selling 250 plus recipe and image prompts today and keep 100% of the profits.